Zapier is one of the most popular productivity and time management tools out there, but before you make a decision to buy, there are 12 things you need to know. Whether you're comparing it to other tools like Integromat or Automate, IO, or just looking to streamline your workflow, Zapier might be a great fit, or there might be a better option for you. Let's dive into these key points so you can make an informed decision. First off, Zapier is known for its simplicity and ease of use. You don't need to be a tech expert to set up automations, or zaps as they call them. The interface is user-friendly, and the vast library of pre-built templates allows even beginners to get started quickly. That said, if you're looking for more advanced customization and control, you might want to look into alternatives like Integromat, which provides more complex workflows. Next, Zapier supports over 5,000 apps. This is huge when it comes to automating tasks across different platforms. From email apps like Gmail to project management tools like Trello and Slack, the integration possibilities are nearly endless. But one thing to note is that not all apps are created equal. Some integrations are more limited than others, so make sure the apps you use most are fully supported before committing. The third thing you should know is that Zapier offers both free and paid plans. The free plan lets you automate up to 100 tasks per month, which is decent for light users or small businesses. However, if you need more than that, you'll have to go with one of their paid plans, which can get pretty pricey, especially when compared to competitors like Automate, IO, which offers more affordable pricing tiers. The fourth thing to consider is Zapier's limitations when it comes to conditional logic. Unlike some competitors, it doesn't allow for more complex, if this, then that logic without using premium features. If you require more advanced branching workflows, Integromat might be a better choice, as it allows you to build much more complex automations. Fifth, Zapier's task-based pricing can quickly add up. As your automations become more complex and you use more tasks, your costs will increase. For smaller businesses, this might not be a problem, but larger companies or anyone relying heavily on automations will find themselves spending more than they expected. Alternatives like Workato might offer better value if you're running larger operations. The sixth thing you should know is that Zapier is cloud-based, meaning it doesn't require any downloads or installations. This can be a big plus if you want something that's accessible from anywhere. However, this also means you're dependent on an internet connection, which could be an issue in certain situations. Next up, Zapier has limited customer support on the free plan. You'll have access to email support, but if you want faster responses, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan. Other services like Automate, IO, offer more comprehensive support on all tiers, so keep that in mind if you're someone who might need frequent assistance. The eighth thing to consider is how Zapier scales with your business. While it works great for smaller teams or individuals, if you need to handle large-scale automations with multiple users and complex workflows, you might find Zapier a bit limiting. Competitors like IO offer more enterprise-level features that might better suit your needs. The ninth thing to know is about Zapier's performance. Most users report that the platform runs smoothly with minimal downtime, but some more complex workflows might experience delays. If speed is crucial for your business, alternatives like Integromat might be worth looking into, as they tend to handle larger, more complex workflows faster. The 10th thing is Zapier's versatility in handling different use cases. It's ideal for automating simple repetitive tasks like moving leads from one platform to another or sending follow-up emails. However, if you need something that can handle more specialized automation like data manipulation or advanced reporting, you might find Zapier lacking compared to alternatives like Microsoft Power Automate. The 11th thing to consider is security. Zapier uses encryption for data transfer, which is great for protecting sensitive information. However, if you're in a highly regulated industry or dealing with really sensitive data, other tools like IO might offer more robust security features. And the 12th and final point is that Zapier is a solid option if you need basic, no-fuss automation. But if you want something that's easier to use, cheaper, or more powerful for larger, more complex automations, it might not be the perfect fit. If you're looking for a better solution, check out our recommended platform that offers a free trial. It might